As he crushed the lapis lazuli, it would soon become worth more than diamonds, not because of the rock itself, but because of what was hidden inside. Once ground to a fine powder, it was sifted to separate the bright blue bits from the rest of the stone, bits the elites would use for centuries. Then it was mixed with beeswax, which turned it into a clay-like mass and helped free even more blue dust. The mass was rolled into big balls and boiled in water. As the wax melted, it lifted impurities to the surface and left the pure blue pigment below. After the water was drained, what remained was ultramarine powder, the world's most expensive dye for ages, used in costly clothes and art.